Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on Kwikset Powerbolt 250 Keypad Electronic Lock. Parts in the box. Prepare the door. Installation. Install the latch and strike. Hold the latch in front of the door hole, with the latch face flush against the door edge. Is the door edge chiseled? Install strike on the door frame. Make sure the latch bolt is fully retracted in the unlocked position. Install the exterior keypad. What is the diameter of the hole in the door? Locate screws for step 3C and keep them within reach. Install exterior keypad and mounting plate. Install the interior assembly. Remove interior cover from interior assembly. Secure the interior assembly onto the mounting plate. Install the batteries in the interior assembly. Install 4 AA batteries in interior assembly. Install interior cover for the interior assembly. Add user codes, 25 max. During programming, if no button is pressed within 5 seconds, the system will time out and you will need to restart the procedure. Test the lock. Before you can lock and unlock the door, a user code must be created. Refer to Step 6 for instructions how to create a user code. Confirm that the codes added in previous step can unlock the door. Adding a one-time user code. Delete a single user code. Delete all user codes. Enable or disable audio. Enable, disable user codes. Enable, disable auto lock. Change auto lock time delay. Door rehanding. Factory reset. Add or change programming code. Enable or disable programming code. Powerbolt at a glance. Exterior, interior. System alerts. Important safeguards. Warning. Caution.
Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.